immersed ourselves fully in the customer's processes. The monitoring project was an additional milestone. Dräger is a reliable partner that consistently delivers outstanding work.
Der Kunde ist ja eine große Raffinerie im Rheinland.
The customer is a large refinery in the Rhineland. They are required to carry out regular annual inspections on various components of their petrochemical and chemical plants. This involves a coordinated sequence of activities. Teams enter the plant to flush out the systems. Then, other specialists follow, for example, to perform welding work. This is where Dräger comes into play. In the past, we've always provided safety and fire watch personnel at this stage. Our own colleagues who took over safety monitoring for partner companies on site. The customer places a strong emphasis on innovation and actively seeks out partners who bring forward-thinking solutions to the table. That's why, nearly 2.5 years ago, we began introducing video monitoring systems. In some areas, we partially replaced traditional safety personnel, where previously 5 to 8 guards might have been stationed at a single tank. With strategically placed cameras, the system is designed to allow a single monitoring operator to oversee up to 24 cameras simultaneously. In addition, we have a second team member on site, the field operator, who acts as the point of contact for partner companies and their employees. This setup enables us to significantly enhance occupational safety. By using cameras, we can monitor areas and detect details that a human safety guard might not notice with the naked eye. We also have the capability to conduct gas monitoring in parallel, adding yet another layer of occupational safety. And last but not least, this approach ultimately leads to cost advantages for the customer. Naturally, this is also a major step toward achieving Vision Zero, the goal of zero accidents in the workplace. The monitoring system also enables us to document incidents in real time. We can set bookmarks directly in the software and later review specific events together with the customer. We quickly realized that the pilot project was gaining momentum. Just a few months in, when the customer visited to check on progress, they began actively promoting the solution internally. Their positive impression was communicated further up the chain, ultimately leading to meetings that included the refinery's senior management. The relevant decision makers reviewed the project and responded positively. Yes, Dräger is doing excellent work here. Keep it up, and please explore where else we might implement similar solutions, either in this area or in other parts of the plant. We immersed ourselves fully into the customer's processes, and I have to say, the implementation has been a great success. The customer recognizes that this opens up new opportunities to collaborate with Dräger, not just on this project, but over the long term. Most importantly, they see the value in building a lasting partnership with us.
Und ich kann vor allem über einen längeren Zeitraum dann wirklich auch Themen mit Dräger dann gemeinschaftlich begleiten.